Given this piecewise function, let's solve for c to make this function continuous at x equals 0. So in order for the function to be continuous, the limit as x approaches 0 of f of x has to equal f of 0. So we're going to look at the top function here and take the limit of this. So the goal is basically to get this as like sine of x over x. But obviously we can't get x, so we're going to use a new variable. So we'll say like sine of u over u. We know the limit of this as u approaches 0 is going to be 1. Okay, because the limit as x approaches 0 of sine of x over x equals 1. So if you replace x with a different variable, it's still going to be 1. That's the goal. So the way to do this is you want to get whatever's inside the parentheses to be in the denominator. Okay, so that means factoring out a 2 in the denominator. And now we can make a substitution to let u equal 3x. So as x approaches 0, u will also approach 0. So for example, if x approaches 0, 3x will also approach 0, which means u will have to approach 0. So I can just rewrite this whole limit as 1/2 times the limit as u approaches 0 of sine of u over u. This thing we already said is 1, so it's just 1/2 times 1 is 1/2. Okay, so now we want to set this equal to f of 0. F of 0 is going to be c. So you set 1/2 equal to c, which means c has to equal 1/2. And so that makes this function continuous at x equals 0.